Welcome to Do It Easy tutorial. Today I'm going to let you know how to load a custom downloaded templates and indicators to your MetaTrader platform. Find new systems from internet, and those systems require to install templates, some indicators to your MetaTrader. So let's find out how to do that. So if you go to forexfactory.com, and they have many number of systems. If I go to this PVSRA scalping with this thread, if you are to follow this system, you will need to install some templates and install some indicators, and this is the one. So this is the zip file I downloaded. So let me extract this one. So once you extract, you can see it says put contents in MT4 MQL4 indicator folder, and this is for MT4 template folder. Okay, so you have to know where these folders are, right? So if you go to this indicator folder, so you can see there are a number of indicators. You can easily identify indicator by looking at it. So the file extension is should be like this, either .ex4 or either .mq4. Now if you go to template folder, usually you can identify a template file by looking at its file. The file extension should be .tpl. Alright, now let's go to our MetaTrader. Let's see how to load this one. Now if you right click here, and if you go to templates, here you can load your new template, and these are my current templates. And the same time, once you install new indicators, those indicators will load here. Okay, so first you need to go to file and click open data folder. So this will open folder for this MetaTrader 4. Alright, now here you can see there's a folder called templates. So this is where you should copy and paste your template files. So I go to my template folder. So I have two templates here. I'm going to copy these templates, and I'm come to here and paste. And so template part done. Now I have to copy my indicator file to here. So let me come back again. So you should go to this MQL4 folder. Inside there you can find a folder called indicators. So go to that, and so this is where you should copy your files. So I'm going to copy all the indicators from here. Right click, copy, and come to here and paste. Right, so now my indicator files are copied as well. Now if I right click here, template, now I can see my template has loaded. If you can't see it, just right click and click refresh. So then you can load your template. So let's select this PVSRA white one. Here we go. So this is that white template, and so if I take another chart and let's look at the black template. Alright, it seems like there's some error with the template, so that's why we are giving this this error message, but that's fine. So I think you got the idea. So that's the black one is fine. So that's how you load a template. And when you load a template, you must copy your indicator files. Alright, let me quickly load another template. So I have another zip file here, so let me extract this one. And here same, we have template file separately and indicator file separately. So likewise same, so what you should do is you should go to file, open data folder, and here you can copy your template file first. So I will go to template folder and copy these two files, copy and paste. So these are the two templates, 15 min 4 hours. And let me come back again to indicator folder. So I have this indicator, so I'm gonna select these and copy and go to indicator folder and just paste, Ctrl V. That's it. Yeah. So if you refresh again, and if you go to, if you take a new chart and right click templates and 15 min. Yes. So here we go, right? So this is the template. So here from the chart panel also you can load templates. Under charts you can find the same menu option. Okay, you have to refresh it. Charts. Yeah, seems like we have to close and open again, but that's fine. So here you can find the new templates. And if you have any questions, I will leave a Telegram group link where you can ask questions, as well as you are welcome to comment if you have any questions below the video. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel, so I will be uploading many more videos related to trading and many other subjects as well. So hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and thanks for watching.